Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Tailwind UI from Envato for modern interfaces, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the Envato Market website. In the search bar, type Tailwind UI and hit enter. Browse through the available Tailwind UI kits and components. Choose the kit or component that best fits your project needs. Click on the selected item to view its details. Review the description, features, and any included images or demos. Check the pricing details for the item. If you're satisfied, click the Add to Cart button. Proceed to checkout by clicking on the cart icon. Sign in to your Envato account or create a new account if you don't have one. Fill in your billing details as prompted. Select your preferred payment method. Confirm the transaction to process your purchase. Once the payment is successful, you will receive a confirmation email. Return to your Envato account and go to the Downloads section. Locate the Tailwind UI item you just purchased. Click the download link associated with the item. Choose the preferred format or folder structure for your download. Save the downloaded file to your computer. Extract the contents of the downloaded zip file. Review the folder structure and included documentation. Follow the instructions within the documentation to integrate the components into your project. Begin building your modern interfaces using the Tailwind UI components. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.